my god, mate.
Action.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Apologise for the lack of uploads recently. It's been so hot in the UK, it's about 32 degrees today, so painting in this heat isn't ideal. However, we have now primed this section of the car. The windscreen was quite easy to take off, it's just held on by 2 bolts here and over there. And yeah, priming this section was a little bit fiddly, but it's actually come out really well, so pretty happy with that. In an ideal world, we'd be doing some more painting today, but it is just too hot. So we're going to do some odd jobs and take a trip to the Porsche garage and take a look at the supercars that we can't afford to buy. Alright, so we are now on our way to Porsche Centre Guildford. Be interesting to see what they've got in stock. What are you hoping to see?
Probably a Boxster, 2006 Boxster.
Actually, that's an interesting conversation topic. Worst Porsche ever made. Has Porsche made a bad car?
The Boxster. The Boxster is
a fan of that, are you?
Yeah. It's not a Porsche. It's a Porsche. Quite a cool spec on this 911 Carrera S, black gold wheels. If you want to buy a new Carrera S, 107 grand. Which one would you have out of those two? Every day. Probably my favourite car here. Not open, I'm afraid, but GT3 Touring, manual gearbox, carbon buckets. Quite a punchy spec on this car. Carrera GTS, bright green. Archie! There's no pad on the sander! Okay, so I've primed the tub. I've got my girlfriend there just painting. And yeah, we're getting there, but slowly.
car is now blue. It just needs clear coating, but I might do that tomorrow because that needs to be painted still, the inside. It looks terrible, the inside, but we're not worried about that because it's covered. What the hell is happening?
So obviously this has happened because Ben didn't put the pins in properly. I can't. Let's go check out the damage. Come on in.
Oh.
I don't really know where to start. Oh, look at that! Look at that. Get a close up of that. It's not ideal, is it?
Got all the stuff outside there. It's been destroyed. It's actually still dry, amazingly. Alright, so it's now Operation Save the 10. So let's try and save it from the elements before it gets destroyed again.
Ben has done a fantastic job painting the car while I was away at work. So now all that's left to do is apply the clear coat. A little bit nervous because obviously we want to do it nicely, so hopefully all goes well.
Alright, so I've been giving it my best shot. The clear coat's going on now. To be honest, the conditions are much less than ideal. I'm outside on a driveway. I'm not in like a contaminant-free environment, but you know, we're doing our best, and I think it looks okay. There's a few bugs that have sort of kamikazed onto the clear coat. But yeah, so 2 coats down, 1 to go.
The car has now been clear coated and it's come out really well actually. Lovely blue. Really nice.
Right, thank you everybody for watching. It's been an interesting few days and the painting's just taken a lot longer than I would have thought. But we're getting there, and how do you feel about it?
I'm just so happy that it's come out well. I think, yeah, it's come out really well, better than I expected. So, you know, and now looking forwards, we can just start to put the car back together, a few finishing touches, and that's what I'm super excited about, seeing what it looks like at the end.
So yeah, taking it on a drive as well, I think would be like really exciting. We're going to keep it soft top for a bit because it's summer, so it's going to get a roll bar that has a seatbelt mount. And yeah, and again, massive shout out to everyone that's subscribed and that has commented, and just anyone that's liking. We really appreciate it all, and it really helps the video. So thank you very much, and we'll see you hopefully next Sunday.